love trippy way.
Pouring up foes, muddy my cup. Won't look at the past, it's behind us. Falling in the bottomless pit, find us. Life is a perk, sound all the sirens. Do whatever I want, don't give a fuck, live my life, I got your wife, she my slut, she take night, And I don't walk shit at all, I'm on the money run. I don't got no ops, they stay inside, cause they're scared of my gun. Yo, 6 want a real one, I told her come and find one. It's funny how you pussy, but you never been inside one. Hey, these darn ass, virgin ass niggas, man. They run when they see the gun in my hand. Bullets like Twitter, they follow them.
That my kid, she swallowed them. Ooh, yeah, she swallowed them. Boy, your chain ain't solid gold, your jewel finesse, he hollered them. These niggas say they with it, we gon' Harry Potter him. Make that little bitch disappear, got VVS's in my ear. Ascended, they shining on your bitch. We flick these hoes on the fuck, cause I'm so freaky deaky, and your bitch gon' eat me. You know that we killing these fuck niggas, hell nah, ain't no throwing a wife, like hell nah, pussy boy, we don't buy that. Pussy nigga pull up on him and bite that. 130K on a Cuban lean, ayy. Shawty wanna fuck, suck the dick and be my bait. Chillin' on that couch, fuck your bitch in her mouth. Catch a nigga slippin', put it in his fucking house. I ain't with the talking. I ain't with the talking, I ain't with the talking. Put the pussy nigga in a coffin. He red, nigga say he bleeding. He red, I'm killing everybody instead.
It be so caught up in the summertime. In the summertime, diamonds on my fingers, baby blue, they look like Mega Mine. I don't know reality, bitch, I feel like Coraline. Yeah, and we from the north side, pull up Optimus Prime. I don't wanna miss line. Promise it feel better taking his line. Yeah, Cody when I piss right. Cause we lit that fucking 666 line. Yeah, that 6 kids line. Murder what it is, murder what it is. Yeah, murder what it is. I'ma catch a murder in this bitch. Hands been certain in his bitch. Like close the burns in his bitch. It's a living hell, and we living hell from there. Living hell from there. I live in hell from there. Yeah, gang.
Cooked you.
Yeah, but he's on Steam, bro. What am I supposed to do?
I wasn't talking about you. You're good, Broski. Imagine playing on Steam. Could ever be me.
Yeah, like, for real, bro. No, we not. Like, it's basically like, you just suck, because you need Steam to be good, bro. Bro, if you're on Steam and you don't have, like, I get if you're on Steam if you have a Rift, or an Index, or anything like that, but not on a Quest, bro. Like, get off Steam, bro. Look at his speed boost, bro. No, okay. This one might be worth a report, bro. Yeah, no, this one is worth a report. Yeah, look, you made that, bro.
Blue, do you play in comp? You play in comp?
Bro, report him, bro. He's cheating. Did you saw that, bro? He has speed boost. He made the impossible jump without any speed, bro. He jumped to that one. That's not even possible, bro. Get off Steam. You can't talk because you're on, like, Index or something. Playing on something that you know is bannable. Like, come on, bro. You're a big pussy. I tagged him. What? There's... Nah. Look at him running. Look at him running. We're gonna speed boost. Guys, report him, bro. Report him. Shouldn't be playing in comp with speed boost, bro. You shouldn't be playing in comp with speed boost. Yeah, report him.
I did.
You are, bro. Bro, you made that jump, bro.
Yeah, if he was on Steam, it would've sounded weird when he pronounced S.